good news, bad news. I have the towel to towel, but I run out of thin set. I had 3/4 bags of thin set, and I use it for these two and that bit right here. And I called Lawrence, asked for thin set, busy. So he can't go and get the money to come get the thin set because he's busy, and it's 3 o'clock. So when I did that bit and then this bit, I start sand down and paint. So I paint right here. Hey, look at my cleaning. Let me clean out the fridge. But yeah, I paint right here, sand it down, and paint it. This is silver white, y'all. This side is shadow born or born shallow, something like that. I know born shallow. I don't remember, but it's shallow born or born shallow. So I did not paint that because this bit goes right up to the bedroom. But I paint this bit. When I removed the stale railing that I put up, I pulled that out. But because I'm going beyond time and it's one kind of paint and I want to use it up on the sea because I have to buy another kind of white anyway. So I gotta fill out that piece of 1/9 right there. Sand it down is not the best because I didn't have the 100 grain sandpaper. So this side's rough up there need stuff. Yes, that stuff. That was on the wall. Anyways, yeah. So I paint on here, this wall, here, with the silver white. So I get that out of the way. However, not going to be able to get the tile this for the guests to come, so I'm going to put white over here. But it's going to all tile out, but not the top, just this and that, right? But this, I'm going to take that white and then tile that in the new year. So this is super white. You're one of my tile breaks. Nobody told me that. Listen to that. You can't put a big tile. So I put this tile here and I cut it here, right? And then I take up this bit to cut out the little pipes right there. It break, it snapped twice. So I have to cut another tile. So mind you, I don't have any tiles, so I have to make one tile. So this is going to go here. The strips are going to go around and around. And the one is going to cut to go there, and I'm going to short for piece to go there because I break the damn tile. I do my calculation, and I was right on top of it. I did not do a calculation to have a great towel, but I have a great towel. So I have to buy a towel next week again. Oh gosh, not one. It's $2,000 for one. But anyways, money haven't reached me. Nope. It stayed far from me. Yes, and money staying far from me. They don't like me for some reason. For whatever reason, I don't know. But coming on good. Yes, I fixed my pipe work, everything. Oh, I didn't do this bit either. And the light flickers. And I don't know which one of the box. The light flicker. This plug doesn't work. Nor the plug over there. So my extension. And I don't know. So this is where I plug in the extension. There is a little cut on the extension and my puppy stepped on it and it hurt him. So he's inside sleeping. And yeah. And it blew out the plug. So there goes my silver white. There it goes. Oh, I need to make a call to go get the sofa. Yeah. Not bad, right? Not bad. So I need a white to paint there. And I need a flat white to fix up there and paint it. I went to Rapid and I look on some single lights that I want to put up there, inexpensive one. And they all run out, but they have the 7,000 expensive one. 7,000, 14, 15,000 is not in my in my budget. But I need a light. However, when I do buy the light, I need two lights to put up here. I don't want the attached light that has the 3 on it or the 2 on it, because it does not work with my brain and how I wanted it. I want 2 single light up there, right, or in the center above this 2. Yep. So I'm gonna get it, put it up without running the wires in it until when the guests come and gone. And yes, they're gonna not have light, but they're gonna have light, but not electricity in it. And I made a long video. When I edit the video, you'll see it if you watch it. But I'm gonna buy black and silver tile and do the tile like the wall, the top. Yeah, cut the tile in that design because I like it. I did this wall 3 years ago. Over 3 years now, because I'm in the asshole. Yeah, over 3 years now. Yep. So there's a little touch up left to get done, and then it's good to go. Not gonna get the cupboard, no, but I need to jackhammer off that and jackhammer off this bit so I can tile the front part. I'm batshit tired. I'm full of paint and thin set all over me. Yes, and break a tile. Bye bye, ticker tacker. I'm not this cute here. Is the phone with the TikTok app.